Hi everybody, welcome to another Live with Chaudhry here in Nottingham at Pharmig's 30th anniversary conference, and I'm delighted to be joined by my good friends from Contec, Neil Simpson and Karen Rossington. So Neil, first of all, Karen, it's lovely to see you both. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. It's been a while, so it's good to catch up in person as always.
Yeah, really good. So nice to be all back out together again.
Well, it's lovely.
Conferences.
Well, it's lovely to see you both. Before we talk about why you're here, for people who are not familiar with Contec, would one of you be kind enough to give me a quick overview of the business?
Go on, Karen. Oh, go on, I have the mic. So we make contamination control products for critical environments. So that could be disinfectant products for clean rooms, life science clean rooms, mopping systems, saturated wipes. So anything that can keep your clean room clean and disinfected, Contec's the company for you.
Fantastic, and thank you for demonstrating those so ably, Karen. So, obviously we're here at Pharmig. I know there's been the recent Annex 1 update, which was finally done in August. So, what are you actually talking to people about this week at Pharmig?
So really, when you're thinking about Annex 1 and the new revision, a lot of focus is on cleaning and residue removal. So one of the main aspects that people would be interested in is the disinfectant products they use and how they remove them from surfaces. So a lot of that is about, what process do they go through? Do they need to use a detergent? How frequency does that detergent use need to be? Should they be wiping products after leaving? Should they use alcohol? Should they use water rinses? There's a lot of different aspects. So again, the answers are typically tailored more to the requirements of the user themselves, but there's lots of different things that we can discuss and help them with.
Fantastic. And Karen, I understand you did a recent white paper on the new update as well.
Yes, that's right. So we've tried to summarise it into a sort of a 4-page document that gives a little bit of a background to the annex and why we've ended up where we are. Talks a little bit about the contamination control strategy, but mainly just pulls out of the annex all those references to cleaning and disinfection as a summary document to just help you out a little bit.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, if people are here this week, then come and talk to you both and Joe to find out more about not just your solutions, but about the white paper and various areas you can help them with. If people can't come to the show this week, though, where else can they get more information?
So they can always go to our website, so that's www.contecinc.com/EU. On there we have a resources page which has all of our articles, the white paper is on there. We've also got a really nice interactive Annex 1 page that you can go and access. Within that we also have, you can put your region in, put your country in, and that will tell you the email addresses of your regional sales manager.
Fantastic. Well look, it's lovely to see you both, and I must add actually, viewers, that if you are here at Pharmig and you haven't taken part in their competition, come to their booth, because lots of people have so far, and I'll just quickly focus on the competition here. Perhaps one of you would like to just quickly talk about what the competition is and what people can win and what they need to do.
Of course, well, it's the 30th anniversary of Pharmig this year, so we have Find the 30s on our booth. So we have lots of 30s in many different guises hidden in view on the booth. They have to find them, count them, and come up with a number. And the nearest number, or the nearest people with the same number that is correct, will be entered into the competition to win several really nice prizes.
That's fantastic. And I have to tell you people, they are in some ingenious places. So I recommend you come to the booth. If you haven't done it already, come tomorrow and check out the booth and take part in the competition. They've got some great prizes.
Love to see you. Come and count 30s.
Come count that, and also try out their cakes if they've got any left. I'm not sure if they have.
I've got lots of cake left. Come and try cake.
Right, yeah, and try the
If you
cakes.
have any time left, we can talk about Annex 1.
Fantastic. And if you can't do that, obviously, the links to the website and to Karen's white paper is above this video, so you can check that out as well. So, Neil, Karen, it's lovely to see you both. Have a great evening this evening at the gala dinner. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as well, hopefully fit and rearing to go. And viewers, if you're here, come and check out the Contec booth. If you're not, check out the website and Karen's white paper above the video. So once again, thank you very much, both of you. It's
thank
lovely to see you both.
Thank you.
And thank you viewers for watching. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.